Oh, Mongolian. So, some juice place over here. Oh, look, there's a big tub of kimchi. Grilled stuff. Mexican, I think. Big pile of chicken and stuffed cheese. Yeah, we're here at the Ayala Malls Circuit, and is this Banjeta or Mercato Central? I gotta check that. Okay, so it's apparently Fleet Street Central or Fleet Street Bazaar, which is kind of like a Mercato thing. Seeing paluto, ihaw stuff like here. Like that's fish balls and all that stuff. And then there's like chicken rice noodles that they make right here, or the usual barbecue stuff. Oh, Mongolian. So they make Mongolian. That's 120 bucks. I guess you make your own bowl. That's not bad, actually. We should try this place out. Let's look on the other side. Look to the other side. Okay, so other side also has the same barbecue paluto type thing. Jillian's Grill. Okay. So, barbecue type items. Let's see. Usual. But there's also ulam. Look, this one looks like a lechon paksiw. Caldereta looking thing. Or afritada. Some juice place over here. Kulava. Looks familiar actually. There's Lara's Korean Food Hub. Okay. That looks a little familiar, but no, it's not. Ooh, look, there's a big tub of kimchi. Look at that. Biryanista. Oh, my brother's gonna like this. Papa Jess Kitchen. Grilled stuff. Tuna kilawin, takan, stuff like that. This one's the butterfly squid, I think. Crispy fried squid. Yeah. Just like the butterfly squid place. This one I've never seen before. Miss Cordon. Looks like fries and deep fried shit. Bagnet, chicken. Ooh, chicharong bulaklak. See that? What's that? Where's the chicharong bulaklak? I see that on combo. I only see it in the combos. 250 bucks. Fine. Pork mesentery, so always great. El Pita Maestro. So this one's Mexican, I think. Latin burger, kebab. Okay. There you go. Yeah, that's it. And there's a stage, bunch of tables. Okay. Across the stuff that we kind of missed. Let's take a look. There's like Doña Teresa. What is that? Sisig. This one is La Cocina de Don. Sharing platters. Look at that big pile of chicken and stuffed cheese. Chicken tenders and cheese. And then there's juice. Mang Isko juice stuff. Iced teas and all that stuff. You got a ton. Black Bulawan, Four Season, Milky Melon, Coffee Jelly, Watermelon, Lemonade, Blue Lemonade, Pineapple, Avocado, Mango Juice, Cranberry Apple, Buko Pandan, Calamansi Honey, Lemon Iced Tea, and Cucumber Lemon. And then beside it, same people I think, is just fruit shakes. And then there's a $10 per piece takoyaki, which I am so going to fuck with later. And then, there you go, it's back to that. So, there you go, guys. That is Fleet Street Bazaar. Looks like a night market slash food place here at the farther end of Ayala Malls Center. As you can see, Ayala Malls Circuit. You can see Circuit in the back. Which we're gonna take a look at again in a while. Okay, for now, I'm gonna go get myself some takoyaki. I'll run out, guys. Told you guys I was gonna grab some takoyaki. $10 each. It's Hey, you made it to the end of the video. If you liked the video, hit that like button. If you enjoy similar content, consider subscribing to the channel. If you want to help us make more stuff, share the video with your friends and circles. Consider checking out our other channels. We have dedicated channels for hobbies, games, and other stuff. And I'll see you in the next video. OC Mallrat out.